Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss what is data analytics is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of collecting, processing, analyzing, and interpreting large sets of data to gain insights and make informed decisions. Its purpose is to identify patterns, relationships, and trends in data to help businesses and organizations make data-driven decisions. According to CWO, ZWO, and SADC 2019, data analytics is a critical tool for businesses to extract valuable insights from the vast amounts of data generated by various sources. By using data analytics, organizations can better understand customer behavior, optimize business processes, and improve overall performance. Data analytics can be applied in various fields such as marketing, finance, healthcare, and more. It can help organizations make data-driven decisions which can lead to improved business outcomes, better customer satisfaction, and increased revenue. For my reference, in my presentation, WOC, WOZ, SADC S 2019 Data Analytics for Business Decision Making, Journal of Big Data. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is data analytics. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.